Okay, let's have a look at what's been distracting me from car videos for the last 3 weeks. Here is my nice, newly renovated bathroom. So in here we have a wood floor, which I stripped all the tiles off and polished. A nice renovated old bath, which I've cleaned up and painted. Thanks to Duncan for helping me lift it upstairs. I have a new window unit that I've installed, nicely double glazed. Thanks to Brian for helping me lift that into place. We have a new vanity, replacing the crusty old one. We have a new mirror cabinet on this side with lots of storage, and creating that fun double mirror effect, I cleaned up and reframed the old mirror and recessed that into the tiles on this wall. Incidentally, all the walls have been stripped and relined with plasterboard, and I've tiled them all. So that's all nicely done. All the woodwork I ended up routing myself to get a nice profile that's the same for all the framing. What else have I put in? New lights. So I've put in this over mirror hue light and a hue light in the center there, just a basic one there. Upgraded the extractor fan, replaced all the ceiling, and this shower, which was one of the first things I renovated in the bathroom, has since been pulled back out and put back in as the thing I've mostly been doing for the last 3 weeks. Thanks to my partner for helping me clean up all the old glue off it so we could refit it. So that's my bathroom. I've worked out that the only thing I haven't done in here myself was fit this light switch. That was there when I started. Admittedly, obviously I've taken it off and put it back on a few hundred times, but yeah, everything else in here is new, replaced, refurbished. So yeah, I'm quite proud of my work on that, and that's all done. So now I can get back to car videos. Right, thanks everybody, see you later.